Supervising a learner driver. How often, family members and friends of a learner driver find themselves helpless and not very effective when it comes to help their loved ones with driving practice? Effective Driving Lessons in Practice is a resource and a manual that lays out and explains the 12 professional techniques and approaches used by driving instructors and the driving industry in the UK and the EU. Now the family members and friends of a learner driver worldwide can learn the same simple techniques and approaches to help their loved ones effectively and with the confidence that they lack generally. Using the same familiar techniques and approaches as their driving instructor, family members and friends can put the learner driver at ease. It will also strengthen the whole process and result in a swift progression, and consequently, will save a lot of time and money as well. This unique resource is specially created not only to equip the family members and friends who want to supervise but is also effective for the learner drivers as well as for the driving instructors in the UK and around the world, as it has 40+ driving subjects. Each important bit of information is given in bite-sized boxes or paragraphs, which makes it very clear and easy to find any specific piece of information on each lesson, such as learning objectives, step-by-step guides and key briefing points, common mistakes and risks to be aware of, and practical and helpful tips. Reflective questions to ask the learner driver, colorful and clear pictures and illustrations created by the author, and much more. To benefit from our pre-launch offer of 33% discount on first 100 copies, order this resource now. To order or to find out more details, click the link below.